Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. As we have started our chapter number 6, that is animal adaptations. As in the last class, we have discussed about the term habitat and we have discussed about forest, desert, oceans. Now, in the today topic, we will discuss about the topic adaptation. Adaptation is a part of an animal body or a way in which an animal behaves to help it to survive. Means animal have to survive according to the environmental conditions. Then there for that he means the animal has to change according to the conditions. That means it includes their body parts also. It includes the specific part of their body in order to adapt and survive in the certain environment. The various body parts are the webbed feet, second sharp claws, third whiskers, fourth sharp teeth, fifth large beaks, sixth wings, seventh hooves. First one is the webbed feet. Web means like the web of a spider. Like you have seen that the ducks have the webbed feet, mean they do not have the gap in their feet, having some like skin between their fingers of the feet. You can see in the figure that ducks having webbed feet. All aquatic animals swim in the water. For swimming in the water, they have to adapt and evolve the webbed feet. Means without the webbed feet, animal cannot survive, cannot swim. Webbed feet help the animals to swim through the water very easily, so they can easily catch their prey and escape from the predators. Okay, so this is about the web feet. Second is about the second body part is about sharp claws. Like you can see that in the figure, sharp claws of an eagle. Many land and sea animals have developed sharp claws. Animals use their sharp claws for different purposes. Like you can see that many herbivores. Herbivores mean the herb eaters. They use the sharp claws for the digging plants, roots, herbs, or burrowing for the shelter. You can see the pigeon, that we have the large amount of pigeon in our surrounding area. In the field, they dig the plants, roots, herbs. Second, the carnivorous animals like that are the animal eater. They use their claws for killing their prey or tearing meat from their kills. They also evolve sharp claws for their protection. So this is all about the sharp claws. Third one is the whiskers. Whiskers means it is an important feature in an animal. In the most cases, whiskers around the face, especially on the mouth area, they help the animals to the feel. As you can see in the cat, that is that is having the sound of meow meow. You can see they are like mooche. We can say that they are the having hairs on their mouth for the sensitivity. As you can see in the cockroach also, they have the like whiskers having like the antenna. That is for what? That is for the sensitivity. This is all about the whiskers. Fourth body part is sharp teeth. Means very sharp like the lion tiger teeth. This is also a very visible adaptation. That is visible means that we can easily visible or we can easily see that adaptation in many animals. What is the purpose of sharp teeth? Sharp teeth help the carnivorous, means that are the animal eater, to eat the meat. In carnivorous animals, sharp teeth are used mainly for the tearing and the chewing of the meat, because its meat is harder as compared to the vegetables. Rather than developing the dull teeth of the herbivores, carnivores have the sharp teeth to allow them to eat and survive. They also allow them to serve the purpose of the defense, means they also help in the defense mechanism. This is all about the sharp teeth. Number 5, large beaks, means lambi chonch. Like you have seen in the figure, a bird having the large yellow color beak. Beak chonch. It is very important feature of a bird to eat. Beaks are often adapted in birds which are both herbivorous as well as the carnivorous. Herbivores means herb means the grass eater. Carnivores means the animal eater. Birds that eat plants have been adapted to help crack open large nuts and fruits. But in case of the carnivorous animals, eagle that use their large beak to tear the meat. So this is all about the large beak. Sixth one is the wings. Wings means punk. Wings are another, you can see in the figure that birds have the wings that help them to fly. It is also a visible, means we can easily see that feature in the birds. What is the main function of the wings? It helps in the birds to fly. Like you can see the golden eagle that can fly at a speed of 60 miles per hour, means 1 hour it can cover the distance of the 60 miles. These birds use their wings to attack their prey. You can also see in the eagle also. Other birds use their wing to travel from one place to other place. As we are using the bus, car also to move from one place to other place, birds use their wings to move from one place to other place. But penguins that is living in the like colder, that is the polar area, that do not use their wings to fly. They use their wings as a flippers to move through the water, mean they are also use their wing to swim through the water. So this is the adaptation feature of the wings of the birds as a wings. Now the next feature is the number 7 is the hooves. Hooves is also an important part of an larger animals. Like the camel have the hooves. Like that is the hoof feature is used in generally in the desert area. That is the wraith area, sand area, so that they can easily move their feet from one point to other point. So hoof protect the feet of these animals like the camel and allow from their easily greater mobility. So this is about the hooves. Number 8 feature is that is the body covering, means covering of their body. It is then also an visible, means we can easily see their feature. Body covering help the animal to protect in the diverse environment from land to water or from Arctic to desert, means it help the animal from their or to protect from the outside environment. Okay, number 8 is the scales. Scales means like small covering. It is found like in the snake skin is also known as the scale. It protects most of the environment or most of the animals from the environment, or it also help the or to help to protect the body of animals in case when the skin, fur, feathers get damaged or destroyed. As you can see the scales in case of the snake or in case of the fish also. Okay, now we talk about wonderful animal, that is the fish. Fish is a very wonderful animal. You can see the tiny scales on their body. Many fish such as the coral snappers have medium sized scales, but the scales of other fishes have very large, like example is the tarpon, and their scales are used in the jewelry also. The scales of the Indian mahasir, that is also a variety of fish. We can see the large variety of fish in the Brahmaputra river also. Okay, their scales are 10 centimeter in length. So this is about the wonderful animal, that is the fish. Okay, now the next adaptation feature is the spotted fur. Spotted fur is like the fur having the softness on their body. You can see that many animals that is living in the like highly forest areas like the leopard, they have the like what spores on their spores means like the not the spores exactly, they have the furs on their body that having some spores that help to hide it or to hide in the like from the prey or from the other like in the snow, and they help in the protection. So this is about the spotted fur. Okay, and next other feature is the stripped fur means as you can say that what is the difference between like spotted fur and the stripped fur. Spotted means the having spot on their body, and stripped means having the strips like in case of the like squirrel, in case of the tiger we have the like strips, one strips of the like black color, one strip of the like orange color you can see in the tiger also. What is the function of that strip fur? It help to protect from the predator or help in catching of the prey. These strips fur make the tiger nearly invisible to the other animals. So this is about the strip fur. Now what is the wonderful animal? That is porcupine. The body of a porcupine is covered with prickles which are very sharp. So some of them are 9 or 10 inches long. When attacked, it rolls its body into round form or in the position. The prickles are presented or in every direction to the enemy. So this is about the porcupine, a wonderful animal. Okay, the last body feature is the bright color feathers, as you can see in case of the peacock. They have look very beautiful with feathers. What is the function of that? Which can hide and similarly bright colored plant and flowers also. This is also used for the defense, camouflage also means help in the hiding. So this is all about the adaptation and the various body part that include in the adaptation features. So what we have discussed today, we have discussed about the topic adaptation and the various body parts like spotted fur, striped fur, bright color feathers, beaks, hooks, etc. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, you can call me or message me. Okay.